Okay, so let's unbox this Samsung Galaxy Tab A tablet. So let's see here. We have 10.1 32 gigabytes. There's a wall USB charger and a quick start guide. That's it. It says Samsung Galaxy Tab A on this side. Here there's nothing. And that's it. So here we have the tablet itself. You can pull it with this here, and there is a plastic bag. Let's put it aside for a second and see what else there is. This is the quick start guide, USB Type-C cable. From here, this bend. And there you go. There is a power button, volume, and here is the SD card. And nothing on this side. And it comes with a headphone jack, which is pretty good. Most tablets don't even come with a headphone jack. So here we have the USB Type-C and 2 speakers, which we'll test out later. So let's boot this tablet. So this is a 1080p display. It's not AMOLED, but I think it's pretty good. Agree to all. And next. Let's do this for now. I'll just set up the Wi-Fi. For some reason the Wi-Fi doesn't appear. Turn on Wi-Fi. It's not working. I guess I'll skip it and we'll see later. Let's disable this. Install apps. I guess, yeah. Okay, so now we can try the camera. Let's check which version does this run. It should be Android 9. So yeah, there you go, Android 9. I think it's Peppermint. Let's go on YouTube and try some 4K videos to see. So let's see how much storage there is out of the box. Let's go to storage. So this is a 32 gigabytes version, and there's 23.4 gigabytes available. And you can add an additional SD card over here, and you can make it like 128 gigabytes extra. So now let's try out some games like Call of Duty Mobile. See if it works well on this tablet. And let's also try a smaller game like Brawl Stars and see if it's any good either. Okay, let's open Call of Duty Mobile. See how it performs. So it's pretty smooth, around 60 FPS. The graphics are, I think, are on low. Alright, let's try another game in Brawl Ball with Jackie, let's see. So you can see there's two black bars on top and the bottom. That's because this display is 16:10 ratio. Let's run the CPU benchmark, see how well it performs. So there you go, this is the score, 236 and 589 multi-core score, which is a very low, very bad score. Yep. So single core comparison, it's comparable to, it's worse than the Galaxy A50 3D Mark. Okay, so this will perform a graphical test to see how well the graphics processor works. So there we have the test results. 625 for single shot extreme OpenGL, and for the Vulkan it's 712. Overall, this tablet is good only for like video watching and like surfing the web, maybe reading books, but for gaming I wouldn't really recommend it. Maybe some light gaming, but if you do like competitive gaming on Call of Duty, let's say, it's gonna be hard because you don't have exactly the best performance. But the speakers are very good, so great for watching Netflix, YouTube, and maybe some light tasks like taking notes, reading your emails. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.